Yo, what up? Guess who's back, right? Ha. And as you can see by the title, this time we will be doing another movie. You know what I mean? I did a movie yesterday, which was epic. Now, and you can check that video out too, for sure. And today we are doing the Hunger Games, man. Actually, the full title is The Hunger Games, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, right? And to be honest with you, I don't remember too much about the first Hunger Games. I mean, that was like almost a decade ago. No, more than a decade ago. I don't even know. But today, we are gonna be doing this reaction video and let's see what's up. Nah, man. Let's see what it's about. And don't forget, y'all, like, comment, subscribe, and all that shit. You know what I mean? Because I forgot how to count. All right, let's go. All right, cool. Let's go. What's up? Okay. Cool. Ooh. Snow in the summertime. Hey. Yeah, this is dropping 2023, right? And I'm guessing the beginning of the year. I'm hoping so. Because, man, niggas can't wait a whole year for movies. Like, shit, you know, drop this shit. Drop it already. Let's see what's up. You're invited. Whoa. Why that snake got ice on it? Whoa, chilly. All right. And that's the bird. Snow on it. To return to the games. Oh. Okay. Out of here. 2023. Ooh, that was nice. Eee. It's shedding ice. Okay. All right. Let's go. What's up with this thing, bro? Who is a songbird? And that's the bird. The bird didn't move in the first movie, right? I don't remember. November. November? Niggas gotta wait a year and a half to see it. Okay. No wonder why they didn't even drop any people's faces. This was literally edited on a computer. Like, they could have just dropped the news and said, yo, the movie's dropping next year. Man, I thought I was gonna see a little bit of, you know what I mean? A little bit of action, a little bit of cameo, whatever, you know what I mean? Something. All right, then, you know what I mean? Fuck it. I guess we gonna wait. You know what I mean? We gonna wait a few more months. And in the meantime, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be dropping at least another video today. So, yeah, man. Like, comment, and subscribe, bruh. And let's go. All right? Thank you for tuning in.